In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy courses in Udemy. First, open your browser and go to Udemy's homepage. Right on the front page, you'll usually see a section with trending courses. This is a great place to start because it highlights popular and highly rated options across different topics. Take a moment to browse, use the search bar if you already have a subject in mind, and skim the categories to narrow things down quickly. When you spot something interesting, click the course to open its details page. Here you can review the course description, the curriculum, instructor profile, ratings, and recent reviews. I recommend watching the free preview lectures and checking what's included, like total hours, downloadable resources, and whether there's a certificate of completion. Make sure the course level matches your needs, whether that's beginner, intermediate, or advanced. On the course page, look for the option to buy the individual course. Udemy sometimes highlights different ways to learn, but for a one-time purchase that gives you ongoing access to that specific course, choose the option to buy the course individually. This keeps things simple and ties the purchase to your personal Udemy account. Next, click Buy Now. Before moving on, double-check the price, any sale or discount that's currently applied, and the language or subtitles if that matters to you. If you have a promo code, you'll usually be able to enter it on the checkout screen so your total updates before payment. You'll be taken to the secure checkout. Enter your card details carefully. The name on the card number, expiration date, security code, and your billing address. Make sure the billing address matches what your bank expects to avoid declines. If you see alternative payment options in your region, you can keep using the same checkout flow, but the idea is the same. Provide the required details and confirm the total. Always look for the secure lock icon in your browser to confirm you're on an encrypted payment page. When everything looks correct, click Pay. Give it a few moments to process. Don't refresh the page while it's working. Once the payment goes through, you'll see a confirmation, and the course will appear in your Udemy library under My Learning. You should also receive a receipt by email for your records. From here, you can start learning right away. If anything seems off with your purchase, remember Udemy's standard refund window is available on most individual course purchases. Enjoy your new course and happy learning.